airshow in Blackpool. We're very excited because there's fighter jets and there are lots of planes. They're like interesting planes that went into battle in Britain. So we're going to see them today with you guys. Come on!
And it's the second day.
Okay guys, there's a lot of people sitting on their places to sit down and watch the airshow, and it's only just 1 hour before the airshow happens.
Setting up. Big round of applause as he comes over the pier. He's waving, look. Setting up for his win. Coming into round above the cross. Ladies and gentlemen, our team leader, colourful Airin. On his team, perfect well flying Sword 50 Seahawk and Rolls Royce Spitfire Mark 19. Working off, 6 going straight into vertical, 4 is we heard that very distinctive sound of those two turbine jet engines strapped to the side, literally running right and left. You can see that's what it is.
And 5, brake, go. Propeller, avionics and internal equipment. That's why they all differ.
If we're thirsty, they will use 60 litres of fuel in 10 minutes. Along with the 10 to 20 litres of smoke oil that we will be using and 20 litres of jet fuel.
Really same. Also the light combing engine on board. Physical strength. So Dave's calling out the manoeuvres. They're going to come down to 200 feet. They cross the crowd in front of us. Now watch as the aircraft are going to come back towards us. They'll join up in the middle and then they'll go into a break. And look on top. You can see Kirsten and Emma are actually lying sideways as they come in. And waving. Training in the dance routines and the trapeze. These girls are just super fit. They're in the gym all the time, and yeah, no way of God's green earth that I can do that. Now, if you've got binoculars, you're in here. This is where the binoculars are going to pay for themselves. Keep an eye on the girls on the top of the wing, because they're going to start on doing the straps. Great display from Dave, Brian, Kirsten and Emma. Thank you guys. And a safe trip back to Gloucester. And what an amazing display. So, one of our single acts is getting ready to come in, and he definitely wins the I've travelled the furthest to get to this air show competition. Loading up on the G-forces. Told me last night, it normally goes around 7G. So they're going to keep together as a three ship as they come through. Let's listen out. The team leader is calling out. So we're reading them out. Cameras ready, ladies and gentlemen, as they come around.
It's a very complicated aircraft. We have to have three different tanks. We need a gas tank, which is petrol for the piston engine. We need then jet fuel. For the jet engine, we also need a smoke tank for the smoke you see coming from the exhaust. So there's pipes, pumps, electrics. It's one of the most complex aircraft. Whenever you get to look inside the aircraft, my friend did recently and said it looked or resembled much like a microbrewery inside the aircraft. It was so complicated in there.
Thank you, Peter. Please number 2, Patrick Wilson. Again, flying in drivers. These are our primary aerobatic aircraft and air shows. One were Royal Air Force jet pilot with Tornadoes. He's an instructor on JPs. Also extensive work with Boeing and Airbus in his civilian career. Also a very accomplished display pilot in the F-29, the Strike Master, and the Hunter. And close formation display with Team Viper. Champion in unlimited categories, which he won just a couple of weeks ago, and he's 3 times the British national champion in advanced aerobatics. He's also represented Team GB in Hungary at the Advanced World Championship in 2025.
Let's start off with that one.
Back into those ropes before he tumbles back down to earth. Power back in, just freewheeling around.
Like free will.
So as the aircraft moves forward through the air, the airflow is passing upwards through that rotor disc. So gyroplane aviation.
It's like GTV.
Not many aircraft you can do that sort of flying in, crazy flying. roll steps on how to come up with the next maneuvers. But there's a real heading back in the crowd centre. Pitching up to the vertical again. Those canards working hard. Your Blackpool Airshow for 2026. It's my pleasure being your commentator. Hope you all have a safe journey home. A huge thank you to all of the...
Blackjack. 8, 2, 3. And zooming 21 here today, 21 blackjack. Yes. Any prize you like here today? Yes. The first one you like here today.